Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart Motorola Edge 60. Okay, so let's begin. So there are two methods how we can restart this device, and I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first method is a simple reboot from the power menu, and this method is recommended when we have access to the phone and when the phone is responsive, as you can see. So to do it, we need to launch the power menu. Let's tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time, just like that. And now all you need to do is to tap on the restart. Then your screen will go black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. But there's also the second method, which is called the forced restart, and it's recommended when the phone is unresponsive, lagged, frozen, or when we don't have access to it. To perform it, we need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So now let's keep on holding for around, I don't know, 5 seconds, 5 to 10 I would say. So let's wait until the screen goes black. Okay, now we can release our fingers, and just like in the previous method, within a few seconds the phone will be turned on automatically and ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.